and welcome to the newest TecTalk edition. Today we're in a beautiful Rhine Valley in a wonderful city called Wittnau, and we're going to visit together a very interesting company. With its slogan connecting ideas and people, Bearhalter is focusing on customer demands. And I'm excited to talk with the CEO, Patrick Berhalter, and he is already waiting for me inside, so let's go. Patrick, I'm excited to be here. So Berhalter is a very well-known company. Can you tell me and the audience a little bit more about it?
Yeah, thank you. We started in 1960 with our company, with mechanical parts, and then the company grows. Our divisions are die cutting, Swiss die cutting for punching lids out from roll, and the other part is texturization, which is used for the word technical and inspiration.
So there are actually two business units, texturization and die cutting. Can you explain the die cutting a little bit more?
Yes, Swiss die cutting is very known and is a worldwide leader in producing parts out of foil rolls. Very thin foils like yogurt lids and pet food.
All right.
95% of the world market is produced on Bearhalter machines.
Really? Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, that's actually a lot. So that sounds very interesting. What do you offer to the customers in the field of texturization?
You know, texturization is the two words, technique and inspiration.
Yeah.
We are kind of a technical enabler, and we produce parts and assemblies for business worldwide, but mainly from Switzerland, Europe, and also overseas. And our thing is that we can produce not only as a price verse, so more ideas, bringing in the products and the partnership together with our customers in focus.
Well, to produce such products, it must be very important for you to choose the right production machine.
Yes,
right?
That's right. You have the diversity of machines, and you have to think about what makes you and your customer in leading position. And if you choose a wrong machine, you're not capable to do the right things for your customers. That's very important. For sure, it's also very important to have good programming. You have employees which are not only producing the parts, we are thinking for your customer to make the difference between just producing and enabling customers for their product.
You invested recently in a Starrag STC 1250 state-of-the-art 5-axis horizontal machining center. So what was the reason for your decision?
Well, that's kind of passion. You know, if you get the Starrag machine, you know that you are safe in the aerospace business. It's not interesting only for us as company. You see in the eyes of the employees what's going on when they produce parts like this.
Starrag's motto is engineering precisely what you value. Do you think Starrag has done a good job in keeping their promise?
Well, yes. Precision is one of the main goal or main value for us and our customer. And we know that we get a rigid, stable machine. Yeah. And as a certified company in the AST field, you have to have this part stable and make a good job for that.
Patrick, tell me, what does Starrag and Bearhalter do have in common?
Well, we are both Swiss, and Swiss is known as quality, and our region is known as Rhine Valley, which is called by precision and high-tech valley. And for us, it's very, very important to have all these good people, very well trained, which produces not parts, produces technologies in people's and mechanical passion.
So you could say the people are willing to work hard for the customer's success.
Yes, that's our goal together. Yeah. We are one team who works in a partnership for our customers.
Patrick, thank you so much for taking the time. I really think that Bearhalter is a great company.
Thank you, Miriam. It was lovely talking to you, and it was really a pleasure to show you Bearhalter.
Yeah, and to the audience, thank you for taking the time as well, and I wish you a good rest of the week. See you next time.